Letterboxd login issue problem. So friend, as soon as you are trying to login into Letterboxd, you are seeing incorrect username and password, and you are also seeing an error sign in authentication field error. So these are the two errors you are seeing here, or you may also see another error here in Letterboxd: authentication field error and incorrect username and password. There is a login issue today. Okay, so which problem are you facing? Tell us in the comments, and we will tell you how to fix it. So you have to wait a little bit. We have opened it on down detector. Okay, so open your down detector live here, and right now you can see here this problem is not only happening to you, but many people are facing it. So here I will recommend that you should wait a little bit because its server is down today. Wait for a little bit and you can refresh the application, but it is still not fixed because its server is down. So the company will be fixed it from their side. So you have to wait a little bit. Okay, the login problem you are facing will be fixed easily.